Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Vauxhall Combo key battery. So we need CR2032 battery. We need a screwdriver. You see here, we need to remove the mechanical key. Push it to the side. Here you go. Yeah, the battery is in here. See the gap there? Use the screwdriver. Okay, push it up. Here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Remove the old battery. Remove the old battery, yep. Old battery, yep. CR2032. To replace it, just go in like that. Press it down and put the cover back on. Insert the key. Insert the mechanical key, yeah, like that. Okay, it's all done. Yep. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. This is a Vauxhall Combo. Thank you.